Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FluentU on Windows step by step clearly. To install FluentU on Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official FluentU website. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. The file will typically be named something like fluentuinstaller.exe. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. The FluentU installation wizard will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Select your preferred installation location, or leave it as the default. Click the Next button to continue. Review the license agreement and select I agree to accept the terms. Once you've accepted the license, click the Next button again. The installation process will begin and may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button to exit the wizard. Locate the FluentU application in your Start menu or desktop. Double-click the FluentU icon to launch the application. Log in using your FluentU account credentials or create a new account if prompted. After logging in, you can start exploring FluentU's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.